Hello, I'm Sam and I'm here today to show you the new Papergang box for December. We'll be unboxing the video together today and taking a look inside at the new Papergang box. This box is all about helping you plan your year from 2021 so you can hit the ground running in January. So if you're new to Papergang, what Papergang is a monthly stationery subscription right through your door. This fits through the letterbox. Each month is designed by an independent artist, which means the content you find inside these boxes is exclusive to Papergang and you can't find it anywhere else. You can only find it if you get your hands on one of these boxes. We work closely with our charity partner Jade, which means every box that's sold helps plant trees. And who doesn't love trees? If you don't love trees, you need to really rethink your life. You can follow us on Instagram at the Papergang. Check out that spicy content. And to keep up with Jade Walsh, the designer of this month's box, you can also check her stuff out too. Not only is Jade an independent artist, but she's also the lead designer here at Ohh Deer, so she's a big part of all the magic that happens here at Ohh Deer and Papergang. She's worked really hard on bringing you this month's Papergang box that will help you stay organised for 2021. And I've heard on the grapevine that this box has the most original artwork of any other Papergang box yet. So let's get stuck in and find out. Okay, so to get stuck into the box, all you have to do is tear the strip here. We have point sticker markers, an A5 notepad, a 2021 calendar, sticker washi tape, an HB pencil, and the info booklet. The 2021 wall calendar has a new piece of artwork designed by Jade for each month of the year. I won't give it all away now. And some months have a hollow foil finish as well, which makes it look super duper. And as you can see by Jade's example here, you can use the sticker washi tape on your calendar to help keep yourself really organised in 2021. Okay, now we can look at the notepad here. So the A5 notepad can help you organise your day. You have a rundown of your day here, hour by hour, which is really helpful while we're all working from home at the moment. And at the bottom, very importantly, probably the most important part of staying organised, is you can write what you're proud of. What have you achieved today that you're proud of? So this, as we saw earlier, is what Jade used to organise her wall calendar, but it's not limited to that. You can put these stickers anywhere to help keep your desk organised or just really cute and pretty. Here we have the pointer sticker markers. You can use these to draw attention to a particular task you need to get done. You can use these on the calendar or the notepad, as well as in a book if you want to mark your place there. And of course, we've included a bright pink HB pencil. There's nothing to say about this. You all know what a pencil is. So that's December's box and all the kit that will help you get organised for next year. So what do you make of that? Pretty good, huh? If you like the look of this box, you can head over to papergang.com to subscribe now. And if you want to keep up to date with unboxing videos and other things like that, you can click subscribe below this video and you can be one of the first to find out about our 2021 boxes. See you soon!